Hello everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix 350. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create this fashion collage art animation using only your smartphone. Open Canva and go to mobile video. Choose a blank canvas and go to elements. In the search bar, type paper collage and go to graphics. In the top right hand corner, tap those three little dots and go to animated. And you'll see different animated cutouts. Depending on your choice, choose whichever cutouts you want to choose and put them onto your canvas. After you've dragged all your elements onto your canvas, you can resize them and reposition them according to your design. Now to give our canvas some color, go to color in the toolbar and choose whichever color you want to choose. Now in the toolbar, go to clock, tap on this little clock and then adjust the duration of your animation depending on how many seconds you want your animation to be. You can spice up your animation by adding some background music. Go to audio and choose a track that you think is suitable for your animation. Drag your track to your timeline. Here is our final project. If you found value in today's video, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Until the next video, peace.